You want to have a good YouTube channel? You should do all of these things. Number 1, when people take the time to watch your video, more importantly, when they take the time to actually leave a comment on your video, you should answer that comment. Love it or like it or say whatever you want. Someone came to your channel, ding dong, came in, sat down, and you went, hey, forget you. Not only is it bad manners, but it's a way not to gain a subscriber. Try not to gain these subscribers by just doing that. You'll gain friends. You're communicating with people. It's like when somebody walks up the street to you and says, hey, how you doing? You just keep walking. They're like, that person's well, you know, I'm not going to say that word. So if someone leaves a comment on your video, answer the comment. Say, thanks a lot, or hit the little love mark or something that acknowledges the fact that they came to your video, watched it, and took the time out of their day to say something to you. The next thing you should do is subscribe to other channels that are in the same genre or just that are like yours. I subscribe to a bunch of different channels that are all filmmaking. What has happened over time is these people have become my friends. I support them, they support me. Many of them I've met in person, and they're really great people. If you go and watch their videos and you comment on their videos as you build and as they build, they'll notice you. Oh, this is a valued subscriber. This is a valued person who does stuff. And eventually you two will click together and you'll start helping each other. Do the same with large channels. Do the same with channels that are the same as your size, no matter where you're at. And do the same with even smaller channels. When I started out and somebody actually came along and answered a comment or said something back to me, these giant YouTube channels are like, what? It's awesome. The same is in reverse. Make friends with other creators. Other creators like other creators. And as you both grow, you'll be able to celebrate those and support each other in ways you can't even imagine. More importantly, make friends with other like-minded creators. If you're doing stitching, for instance, find other creators and other YouTube channels that do a stitching channel. Comment with them, engage with them, get together with them. Eventually you'll end up with a rapport with each other and you'll have a bit of a support system. Hundreds of people that I talk to back and forth that are just great people. They have hundreds of thousands of subscribers and we all started down here and grew together. And man, it's really nice when you're like, you can go ask them for advice or ask them for help, or you can even get together with them as they grow and do like collaboration videos with them. It's really, really good. Okay, this one's really, really important. Now I presume you have a bunch of friends, and I presume you have either one or more people who are your family. You really need to include them on what you're doing. They may not understand YouTube. You know, you should go get a job and work in the steel mill or drive a truck or whatever those things are that people normally do. A lot of people in families, they don't understand this YouTube thing. Include them in the game. Get them excited about what you're doing. Get them to subscribe to your channel. Get them to comment on it. You don't want to break the rule where now all of a sudden they can do the connection. Let your family in on what you're doing. It can be really exciting for them too, if you let it be exciting for them too. I know in another video, I made a comment on comments and how you should respond to them. This is really, really, really important. When a viewer takes the time to ask you a question, answer the question. It's amazing to me how many people leave questions, legitimate questions pertaining to a video on other people's YouTube channels, and the creator never answers them. He never says anything. And it's rude. If someone took the time to ask you an actual specific question on your video, you should take the time to actually answer that question to the best of your ability, or show them where to go for that. You can put in a link to something that'll help them. You can send them to another channel, one of your friends, of where the answer is, but take the time to actually answer those questions. It's really, really, really important to answer people's questions. I really appreciate you liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this video. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and We'll see you next time. Respect these people. Answer. We're on the comments again. Shit. I know I don't make, but I wanted to add this final note on. You can gain a viewer so easily. No. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. One of the most important things you should do before you do any of that is go to the bathroom.